Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Study the following terms for your speaking, writing, reading and listening ability. The first term is hibernate. Hibernate means of animals to spend the winter in a state like deep sleep. For example, some animals hibernate during winter. A hiccup. A hiccup means a short, often repeated sound in the throat caused when there is a sudden, short, involuntary stop in breathing. For example, he gave a loud hiccup during our conversation. A hiccups is a plural means in a tag of these occurring repeatedly for some time. For example, she laughed so much she got the hiccups. Hideous. Hideous means filling the mind with horror, or it means very unpleasant or ugly. For example, a hideous crime, a hideous face, a hideous noise, or I saw a hideous creature. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this short video of vocabulary. If you like these short videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.